video. Today we're gonna show you why your WordPress website is slow, and we wanna say or suggest things you should do to improve it. First of all, you got to know what is the current speed of your website. Go to Google and say site speed test. Then you go in and look for a website called developers.google.com. That one is gonna give you, it's gonna be /speed /pages speed page speed /insights. It's gonna be https developers.google.com /speed page speed /insights. So that is a Google page website which tests websites' speed. So I'm gonna go to this website and test it. Go to that and test it first. We're gonna say googleboy.co.za. okay, it seems like I was not typing. It's gonna be googleboy.co.za. so you go there, you set site analyze. So it's gonna give you the analysis on your website, how fast it is and how good it is on speed. So Google it ranks websites which are faster and which are quick to load. So now these things, they happen to change sometimes. So now the website says that it's loading at 63%. This is where you're standing. So, and it should be from at least 90 to 100 your page to be good. So if your page is good, so it simply means you're gonna do what? You're gonna see good revenue. You're gonna get a lot of people to visit website quickly, because Google does really ranks people who have websites which are quicker. So since we know that the website is on 63%, it's fine, but it's not fine. Just this is to know how it performs. One of the recommendation, we say stop, if you're making money from website, stop using a shared server. Use a dedicated server, because if you use a shared server, it simply means there are many people who are hosting on that server, and there are many requests the servers receive. So the resources are being shared between you and other websites. You might find that other websites has a lot of traffic than you, or same like you, or there are hundreds of them, they are sharing one server. So even if someone type in your website to visit your website, it's gonna be slow because it's on a server which is busy, or as many requests are coming in and out. So one of the recommendation we're gonna give you. So okay, our website is called googleboy.co.za. you can visit it and see how fast or how slow it is. So you can also go down here and analyze how faster the page is, how many seconds it takes to load the page. So let me close this, and I want us to do it practically and see how many things we take. Okay, I'm gonna go, if I can see any google.com. I want to say things which we want to. Okay, digital. Let me see if we have something on digital clock. Digital, no, not marketing clock. Clock counting seconds online. Okay, we wanna do that and see if it's gonna help us. Okay, you can see this website. We're gonna put it here aside, and then we want to shift it a bit here so that we can see what's going on. It's counting web, so I'm gonna type in googleboy.co.za. I'm gonna hit enter. Yes, at exactly what? Okay, wow, I didn't do the right thing. Okay, googleboy.co.za. so I'm gonna hit enter. After that, it see that 4, 5, 6. Wow, nothing happened. I wanna do this googleboy.co.za, googleboy.co.za. Okay, I'm gonna say visit on 40. Okay, the website was there in couple of seconds. Let me click on another website, on another page. I'm gonna say this on. Okay, the website is a little bit faster. It's like it's sitting on 2%, okay, which is not bad. So but then visit your website, use this clock to see how fast it is, because you might find a tool which can lie to you. But we're gonna retest our website again here with Google. We're gonna say analyze, reanalyze. We see how fast it is. Sometimes it changes, but slightly a bit higher or a bit less, but it doesn't have things which are a bit stressful, like there's a lot of difference. You might find the time you try to test, there were some server requests and stuff like that, a lot of things which are going on. Okay, you can see now it dropped a bit, but not that much, as I said, and I think that's not a stress. Okay, we wanted to see why the website is very slow. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to Chrome and log into the website. We gave you one of the reasons is you are using a shared hosting. Try to get a dedicated server where you're gonna host your website. So the second reason is might be your plugins. The plugins you have, please deactivate each and every plugin you don't need and delete them immediately. You get me? So okay, we're gonna say Google Boy, the same thing, or boy.co.za. I'm gonna try to also do things like this, and I try to log in and see which plugins we have. Do we really need them? So you go here. I'm showing you tips. If you want to use them, you can use them. Okay, AMP we need it, backup we need it, email subscribers we need it, Google Analytics we need it, image, text, whatever we need it, official Facebook pixel we need it, this we need it, recent posts we need it, social share we need it, site kit by Google we need it, soccer info we need it. Okay, we need this WP Facebook comment. Okay, optimize, clean, compress and whatever. So okay, WP spam shield, this is so very important. Okay, it seems like we have 18 plugins here which we need. I did delete what they call, I'll put e-commerce, but I did delete e-commerce plugin. So now what do you need next? So once we've seen that that's what we need, there's a plugin called WP Rocket. I've seen a lot of people, I've got a couple of them here, but I want to test that also and see if it's gonna work for me. If it works, then we can consider to stay with it and delete others or deactivate something. We're gonna say WP Rocket. They say it's very good, but it might be a paid plugin. Hide login and whatever. Change WP login to anything. Okay, lazy load. We have this WP Rocket lazy load. Let me see if I don't have this. I've seen we had something similar to that. We don't want to put something. You saw that was WP Rocket. Okay, delete this. Okay, WP Rocket. I think it could be okay. Media. WP Rocket footer JS. Okay, I don't think this is the plugin we're looking for. Update under construction. Okay, the reason why we want this plugin, you can look for any plugin. The plugin which gonna help you on caching, the plugin which gonna help you also on compressing your images. Images are the problems here sometimes. We can look for to look for that because we have only one image also. there is a image, there is a plugin called image Smoosh. Yeah, WP Smoosh. Okay, Smoosh, let's see how it looks like. Yeah, this is the plugin. I used it before, but I had less knowledge about it. That's why I did uninstall it. Install this plugin. It's called WP Smoosh, and lazy load and stuff, optimization and stuff. So that what it does, it's gonna compress your images, so the image shouldn't be above maybe let me see, what can we say here, 5 kilobytes, something like that, or 50 kilobytes, something like that. But if you see an image which is 3 megabytes, 2 megabytes, 1 megabytes, it's recommended that you delete that image same time. So we did put that plugin. Let's try to use it and see how it works, if we can. This is the thing. So upgrade 60% off. No, we're not going to do that. Settings, let's go to settings. We don't need something to pay for now. We want to use something for free. Let's see, beginner setup. It goes there. Next, automatically optimize your uploads, strip whatever, enable lazy load, allow image data rocketing, tracking, finish. Okay, checking images. So now it's checking images. It's gonna find images, then it's say, let's see. Okay, tells us to pay. Okay, check plans or plans. We're gonna cancel this and say resize images 0 whatever, resize images, and save. Okay, takes us here, update settings, image resizing, resize full size images. Okay, maximum width, minimum width, maximum width, and maximum height. Okay, update settings, we're gonna do that. Okay, that is done. Let's check other, choose directory, Smoosh saving. Let me see. Okay, that's fine. CDN, also they say you have to consider what they say CDN. You have to read much about CDN if you want your website to be fine. For those who have websites which are being visited by people who are from far away from you, maybe it's somebody in the US and you in UK, or somebody's in the UK and you in China, something like that, you have to consider this. Let me see, CDN, I'm not going to use this because someone who targeting things which are local. Okay, image resizing. Okay, detect and show correctly sized images. Okay, almost there. To finish activating this feature, you must save your settings. Okay, update, let me see, update settings. I'm updating these settings. Okay, I've done that. Incorrect image sizes highlighted, view front end. Okay, they show that, but they're not telling us what's going on. Egyptian whatever. Okay, let me see here. Okay, I want to see something, if it can give us more about that. Choose. Okay, dismiss. I want to dismiss that message, it's annoying me. Social share. Okay, tutorials, this is where the tutorials are, where you can learn a lot. Bulk Smash 2000 something tutorial or whatever. Lazy load is on. Let me see settings. Enable high contrast mode, color accessibility. Okay, use sage tracking, help us make Smoosh better. Okay, we can switch on that. Keep, delete, and installation. When you uninstall, leave that. Restore images. made a mistake, no worries, you have to okay, leave that, reset, update status, API status, okay, update. So I want to check into some things. Okay, increase the visibility and access, okay, elements and components to meet WC whatever requirements. Okay, UK English UK, that's good. Yes guys, you need a plugin like this, but anyway, that is simple. If let me see Smoosh, let me see. Okay, is the pro version. Okay, I don't want to go there much. Let me go to dashboard back, and okay, it's a you have 22,900 attachment that needs to be smooshing. Okay, this is upgrade bulk. Okay, let me say sure, let me try to do that if it can work. Okay, so I'm gonna try to compress them. If I compress these, so it simply means our website is gonna run a little bit faster than what it has been running, because images makes a lot of difference, you get me? So imagine 2000 images are not compressed, so it simply means they are huge. So whenever a person visit, so it's a problem. So that's the thing. So whenever somebody visits, it becomes a problem. So the image is so big, so it simply means the page is gonna take a lot of time to load. So after dealing with the images, you have also to deal with your JavaScript. You have also to deal with your CSS. You also have to deal with your HTML. So you need to make sure that the site is fast. So but now, one of the first thing you have to do is make sure you're not on a shared server. Use what they call a dedicated server. Point 2 is it's a must, you have to watch which images you put on your website. Don't just download an image from Google and don't see. Most of us, we really care much about the size and the height, the width, stuff like that, because Google say they want an image which is at least 1.2 by 800. If you get that, you just put that. But now, forgetting that image might be a little bit big, it could be something like, maybe I would say a megabyte. So if an image is bigger than a megabyte, simply means you're gonna be in trouble. Why? Because it's gonna mess up with your website. So the slower the website, the more chances you're gonna stand on to rank in Google. So now we're sitting on 83, so we're not going to wait for this to finish. But after installing this plugin, try to do what? Try please to retest your website. I wonder if I can retest, and I see speed checker. Let me see. Okay, analyze Google boy. Let me try to. But after those 2000 website images, you're gonna see that they're gonna be a different change on that. Okay, so I'm gonna show you another website, another plugin which I use, which also you optimize your database. So you have to do that. A database, if you optimize it, also things can go well. You can see now sitting on 53%. You understand? I put a new plugin, don't forget. And also I'm trying to score on how faster the website gonna load. So I'm gonna go also on let me see. I was here, I'm busy doing this. This is 4600 and what 125% is with running on 7%. This thing can take the entire night. But anyway, what I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna go to dashboard. I want to show you one of the also good plugins which we can use to optimize our site. Okay, once you're here, there is a plugin called, let me see it, WP Optimizer. So it optimizes images, database, and also the cache. So you can click on your DB first, on your database. Okay, it's gonna load it. WP Optimize. So that plugin is very good because it also optimizes the database. That's a good thing about it, and it's a free plugin, so you can use a couple of them, but if you find one is good for you, then leave that. So you're gonna see here, these are images. That's when you're gonna optimize images. So the thing is, it says auto, you put it on auto so that to compress it whatever automatically. Okay, it's gonna be retention of details. Okay, use lossless compression, which results in much better image quality but lower file size, saving per image. Okay, custom, let me see, custom, you have to customize. Okay, let me see this, use what. Okay, maximum saving per image, the result images are a slightly lower quality. So this is crazily good also. So catch here, you can click on and enable page caching. So this is good. Purge. So this one is a little bit easier than the one we used before, because the one we used before, it simply focuses on images only. This does optimization for your database. So what you do, you can click here and say run all selected optimizations. Once you click here, it's gonna run. So I don't want to do that because I'm already using Smoosh, which is gonna compress the images. Minify, also you can do the Minify section whereby HTML, I talked about HTML, you have to do also your JavaScript files, you also have to do your CSS. Okay, you select that also. If it's fine, then it's fine. CSS, JavaScript, and HTML minification is an advanced feature. While enabling it will work just fine for most sites, it might need specific configurations to work properly on your website. If you encounter an issue and you are not sure what to do, disable the feature and ask for help on the support forum. We will do our best to help you configure it. So this is what they say, this is the message they send you. But for sure, I'm really happy with the plugin. It gives you here, let me see, enable what minification of JavaScript. Okay, we did that. Contain each included file in its own block. Enable if trying to isolate JavaScript error introduced by minifying or merging. Okay, you can also take that, it's not bad to take that. Okay, defer all the JavaScript files. Let's see what they say. All files including the ones processed by WP will be default except the ones in the exclusion list above. Okay, so you can see all these settings are very easy. It's easier than everything I've seen on the web. This WP Optimize, it's a very good plugin. Trackbacks, use the button to enable or disable any feature trackbacks all. Okay, then they say use the button to enable whatever. All these things are good, you can look into them, click one by one. Then the premium version, look what they give you. Free version, premium. Let me see, free version, they don't give you multi-site support. Optimize individual tables, they don't do that. Remove unwanted images, they don't do that in a free version. Sophisticated scheduling, they don't do that. Control with WPCLI, they don't do that. Lazy loading, they don't do it. Optimization preview, they don't do it. Enhanced logging and reporting, they don't do that. More choice and flexibility, they don't do that. So a couple of things, but anyway, if you don't have money, you can use a free version. If you have money, then you can buy to get 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 what more features. So this is the thing you have to use first. Click here. After downloading this optimizer, click here, then you optimize your database. You go to step 2, you click there, you optimize images. You can see any image which is not optimized is gonna be shown here, but if the images are optimized, they're gonna not show here. You click on that catch, you select that. Let's click here, we say activate scheduled. Okay, preloading. Let me see that. Save. Let me see if it's gonna work, because sometimes it could be for people who are paying for a premium plugin. So let's see what's going on. Here we're sitting on 22%.1, which is 370 something images. I wanna see after this image, this thing is done. I wanna check if there was some change in page load and page speed. You get me? So that's one of the things we're gonna do. So there is another also platform which can show you how minimize main thread work. You can see, you can read all of this. Reduce JavaScript execution time is 2 seconds point whatever is too much. Chain found, avoid chaining critical requests. Okay, user timing marks and measures 8 user timings. Wow. So let me see this. Under this you say consider instrumenting your app with the user timing API to measure your app's real world performance during key user experience. Okay, have to learn that a lot. You get me? Start time 3 point what. Okay, visible. Okay, all of this you have to know, understand how it goes. But Google has this tool which is free on developers website, whereby you can go and type in your website and see also how faster is the page. Let me go and look for another page. I'm gonna go look for another website to test. View. Okay, I'm gonna say analyze. I wanna see this website, how is the performance. Let's see its performance. This one, Lighthouse returned error. View to take. They say something went wrong with the recording the trace of your page load. Okay, this one they say they don't see it, but it has to be HTTPS. Let's see if it's gonna show up. Can we also visit that website? Can happen like, okay guys, we did a couple of these. Okay, preload now. I don't want this. Action will trigger WP to catch the site by visiting pages to preload them so that they are ready for first time a human visitor. What. Okay, this is good. We can run this. It's fine. We're busy that's way somewhere here, but also we're busy somewhere there. Okay, free version of Smoosh allows you to compress 50 images at a time. Okay, upgrade to. Okay, you can see now they gave us this. Okay, 50. Okay, we're gonna go on. So you see they gave us 50, 50, 50, 50, but a pro version is gonna give us more. So this one they're gonna give us 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, 50 images. So after that, then we're gonna keep on pressing because we don't have that premium version. But anyway, if you have a premium version, you're gonna be able to do that. Okay guys, we were checking another website which we could not get, so we wanna try also to see. Okay, this trigger what. Okay, we're busy also doing something here, so we're gonna go and say view to take. Okay, view to take online store. Let me see. Okay, let me go to the website itself, see if it's gonna load. The website is not loading. Oh, it's loading. It's loading. It's a little bit slow. Okay, let me see. So, but I wonder why Google did not get it. Let me copy this and put it back again here. Let me put it in here and analyze, try to see if I'm gonna get it. Let's see if it's gonna work. You can see now the site is slow. Why? Because I'm busy with some things here. Okay. You can see now that we're busy. That's why it's getting slow even when somebody visited. Okay, let's see this view to take. Wow, look at this. It's 4%. Very crazy. So if you find a website like this, what do? You put all those plugins, you start running those Minify and all that. There's no such thing like this. So this website is super poor, 100% poor website. Wow, this is crazy. You cannot be with a website like this. No. So what you do, you saw the first website is sitting on 50-something%, but this one is poor. So we're gonna also work on this. We're gonna put the plugin like a WP optimize. We do optimize the database and everything. So we're gonna see, once we do that, it's gonna have also something better. I would have done that, but it's gonna take a lot of time. Guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, but please don't forget things which I talked about. Compress your images, use WP Smoosh, or you use WP optimizer. Optimize, it does take a lot of stress away, because it also optimizes your database. So I wish I could do this site with you, but all these processes take a lot of time. So one of the first thing to do is make sure you are not on a web hosting which is a shared hosting. You have to get a dedicated server so that you can use the resources. Your website uses all the resources by itself, but if it's gonna be sharing, then it's gonna be problem. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next video.